All right, while we watch the tropics.
I know.
I'm
just not going to speak it into existence.
You know, we still have so long
Right.
to go. This would be 7 to 10 days away if it were even to impact us. And if it were, it would be so rare. So history's on our side, but is it impossible for us to get some impacts next week? No, it's not impossible. It's not likely from what history tells us. So let's just kind of...
Let's go with that.
Let's just go with that, yeah. I wish we could go with that. I'm going to be watching this very closely, but I do think that a lot of these computer models are going to change a lot in the coming days, and we have a lot of days to go before this would be in our realm. So I'm not concerned just yet. We're just kind of cautiously watching it, keeping our eyes on it, make sure we're on top of this. We're going to keep you on top of it as well. In the meantime, we have a whole week. We have 7 days of beautiful weather that gets better and better each day as we head through the weekend. Look at the sunset from Marco Island. A cold front has come on through. It has set us up for a nice night tonight. Nice couple of days headed our way, and then we get another front by Friday that is going to make it even nicer for the weekend. Temperatures right now, mid-80s. We were 1 degree shy of reaching a record high. Our record high today was 91. We were at 90, so it was hot, but it's not going to be as hot going forward. The dew points are starting to go down. What that means, our comfort level is going up and overnight low temperatures are going down. We have dew points in the 60s that are going to slide on through, and we will have even drier air by the weekend. And that's all because of the wind direction. Right now, winds are out of the northeast, and that is our driest wind direction. We don't have a northwesterly wind pulling in a little bit of Gulf moisture. North and northeasterly winds are very dry for us, and we'll continue to see that drier weather into the coming days. Dew points drop and overnight lows drop. These are the morning temperatures around sunrise for Thursday and Friday into the mid to upper 60s. Come the weekend, it gets even lower as our second front heads our way. It will start to moderate into next week as more humidity potentially moving into our region. Now, as we head into your futurecast, so this is front number 2. This is Thursday morning. You see a lot of rain through parts of Alabama and Georgia. Don't get excited if you're looking for rain, because that rain is not going to be headed our way. Our rain chances are very slim from these cold fronts coming on through. The rain just kind of evaporates by overnight Thursday into Friday, and we are left with maybe a stray shower. But we do get the cooler air and the drier air behind it. It's not a cool down. It's actually just returning closer to average. But I'll tell you what, this weekend is looking spectacular. Here are the rain chances from these fronts coming on through. Today, or excuse me, into tomorrow, a 10% chance, a 10% chance into Friday. And then this weekend, if you want to be outside, enjoy it. We're not going to have any tropical threats this weekend, and we're not going to have any rain this weekend. The tropical threats, if they were to make their way into the Gulf, which again would be rare, would not be until next week. Timing is crazy. Some models say Tuesday, some models say Friday. That very big difference in timing should give you a sense of how uncertain this forecast is, and the confidence level is low. The uncertainty is high. Things are going to change. We have a week to watch this. This is the area that we're tracking, and again, don't be surprised if we have Tropical Storm Sarah before the week is over. Tonight, temperatures are going to drop down into the mid-70s, low 70s by tomorrow morning, and then that's going to be our warmest morning going forward. We are done with the real warm mornings. Might even be able to open the windows a little bit. 72 degrees by first thing tomorrow morning. As we head into the afternoon, 86, still above average, but not as hot as it was today. That lower humidity is moving on in, and it will be here for the rest of the week and then reinforced over the weekend. We will have temperatures stay into the low 80s through Friday, near 80 for Saturday, and then as we head into next week, the humidity, the temperatures, and the rain chances will start to increase. The end of next week's forecast, highly dependent, of course, on the tropics. That's your first alert forecast.